How to fix Instagram other stories not showing up. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. Open Settings. In Settings, click on Search button at the top right corner of your screen. And in here, simply type in Date. Click on Date and make sure it's in automatic, or simply use network provided time or time zone. After you've done that, you may be able to see the stories of people, as dates might have been confused. Or what you can do is go to Settings, scroll down to Apps and Notifications, click on Apps and Notifications, click on Instagram, and then click on Storage and Cache, which is the third option. After you do that, clear cache. After you've cleared cache, open Instagram and your problem will be fixed. This is how to fix Instagram others stories not showing up. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.